Dear all, my name is Milena Volcheva and I have a lot of passion and successful track record in general management. I have more than 15 years of commercial leadership experience in the agricultural, food and cosmetic industries in various marketing management, key account management, business development and general management roles, as you can see from my CV. I led successfully the establishment and the growth of the Southwest European business unit of Syngenta, leading a cross-functional team of 120 people with a turnover of above 110 million euros. During my term of office, I built a diverse, high-performing team, and together we achieved 12% sales growth in a very competitive and mature market. As a result, I received very high leadership recognition, and more precisely, 91% sustainable leadership and team management score, and 97% for line management skills. I believe that with my strategic thinking, successful people management, P&L experience, and diplomatic stakeholder management, I could contribute a lot for your company growth, bringing new out-of-the-box thinking and building a high-performing team. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot for the attention.